Moo! Moo!
Welcome to the dungeon. The dungeon. We are playing in my basement today. Alright, right now it is 20 degrees outside, in the 20s. Partly cloudy and a little windy. I tried to work on the truck some and just did not want to do it. So it dawned on me that I still have to clean up a bunch of these parts. I don't have to, but you know, while they're out, why not clean up this stuff that I can't get to, you know? I wasn't about ready to freeze my ass off outside trying to do this in the driveway. And then I remembered that I have a hose hook up here, so I went out and bought a short hose and a sprayer, and I'll just do it down here. This is what a basement looks like that was built either in 1900 or 1920. I'm not really sure. When I bought the house, those are the two dates that I kept seeing. So it's actually made out of fieldstone, and then that is filled in by some mortar here, which I need to go through and touch up a lot of this. If it rains really, really bad, I get some leakage through there. And then it actually drains down through there, and there's a hole over here that squirts up. It's kind of funny. So I left the hose on last weekend, and it saturated the land right through there, and it was pouring out of there, and it was pouring out of there. It's kind of goofy looking. I don't want to look at this because this upsets my OCD really bad. I don't know who did this stuff, but it's I gotta fix that too. I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up. Hopefully it's warmer outside, and then I'll go from there. I really want to get the plug done on the AC hose that was frayed. A water pump too. I might just do the water pump because that's 4 bolts maybe, and it's in and out. So we'll see how it goes. Got everything cleaned up here. So I know a lot of people think I'm freaking crazy or super anal, but this truck was a Florida truck, and the previous owner bombed it down a lot of dirt roads. And in Florida they use coquina on their dirt roads, and it like adheres to plastic and gets really slimy and stuff. So I figured while it's out, might as well clean the rest of that off as I can. So wait for these to dry and put it all back together. Here we have the bulletproof diesel water pump. So very nice machine. Almost too pretty to even put in the truck. I'm not really sure why that's blue. Pretty straightforward. 4 bolts, water pump comes out, comes with a new seal. Gonna go try and yank the stock one out, see what it looks like. Allegedly the fins on the stock one break off, so we will go see. This looks pretty good here, which is good because it means there's no chunks or anything inside the motor. And this looks pretty good too. A little bit of cavitation there. But for the longest time, I just kept putting water in this thing because it was slowly leaking out of a hose. So that's not too bad. I can live with that. The holes are offset here, if you can see that. So this only goes in one way. These bolts here, they call for 23 Newton meters or 17 foot-pounds or 204 inch-pounds. It's now 1 o'clock, still only 26 degrees, feels like 17. I can't feel my face. So I am done. At least the water pump is in. I just went ahead and did the toilet paper filter on that. I got that off. I just used the impact and drove that off. So the only thing I got left to do is to fix these wires. But nothing likes to bend when it's cold. So I'm gonna save that for probably one day after work. Because I gotta take all this tape off and it's just coming off in chunks. Start buttoning everything back up.